could leave and go abroad. Migrating may not be the answer, and your life could be twice as hard. Cherish the things nature has given right here at your front door. Sun, moon, and stars shining down from heaven. How could you ask for more? Reggae, 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 Jamaica, the pearl of the West Indies. Reggae, 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 Jamaica, #1 in the Caribbean. Sometimes the grass looking greener in somebody else's backyard, but that doesn't mean it is cleaner. It could be a big, big fraud. Enjoy yourself right here, my friend, whether you come from near or far. No street, no chains to bound you. There is no borderline. Reggae, 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 Jamaica, the pearl of the West Indies. Reggae, 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 Jamaica, #1 in the Caribbean. Fighting, no change, no walls surround you. There is no borderline. Reggae, 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 Jamaica, the pearl of the West Indies. Reggae, 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 Jamaica, #1 in the Caribbean. Don't leave this country and go. Love, unity, happiness is here, I'm not leaving. Beautiful girl with pretty curls, see them dancing. Crowd of people all around, I hear them chanting. Reggae, 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 Jamaica, the pearl of the West Indies. Reggae, 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 Jamaica, #1 in